Take a moment to check out the 2024 Nissan Kicks. This Nissan Kicks packs a lot of fun into an efficient, compact package. Enjoy the benefit of its spacious interior, comfortable ride, ample cargo space, and touchscreen infotainment. It's big on safety too. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, remote engine start, satellite radio. Navigate your world in confidence and style in this safety-minded Kicks. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.